Hey guys, so today I'm doing a little bit more experimenting. I was trying to figure out how to make a tent for my table the other day, and I was going through all my PVC pipe parts to figure out how to do it, and I came across these corner pieces. I think this is a half an inch piece, so it's half an inch hole. But what I was thinking is that I would layer my colors in a cup, pour it through that hole, set it here where I've got the head of it slightly elevated. Instead of one set of cups, I have two, and then one set down here. So it's got a slight tilt. And I figure I'll pour in here and let it flow down and see what happens. So what we're going to do is I'm wanting to have black and white and then my fluorescent colors. So since we're pouring from here, we're going to put our fluorescent colors first and then our black and white. So when we pour, the black and white goes first and then the fluorescent colors go on top. So anyways, that's what I'm going to get started on, layering these in, and then we'll just attempt to pour it through this hole. Let's see. Start with the yellow. And I do have my paints fairly thick this time. I want them to hold their shape and not mix as much since they're going through a lot. And this is just mixed with Floetrol and GHC 100. I'm just going to layer these in a few layers and then top it off with the layers of black and white. I think we can put one more layer of color in there. Okay. And as of right now, I'm not going to pour anything onto the base. I want to see how they come out first. And if we need to, we'll go ahead and pour some white on. All right, so I'm just going to take this, start pouring it into this hole. Alright, well, probably should have put a little bit more black and white to get the effect I was going for, but so far so good. I like that split in the middle. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this and tilt it around. Okay. Let me go ahead and level these cups out real quick. All right. And just going to get these corners. Make sure they're all coated. Well, I guess the lesson I learned from this is a little less color, more black and white for the effect that I was going for, and clearly don't need quite so much paint. But I really like the effect that this has. So let's take a torch to it, see if anything pops up, and I'll get y'all